Slytherin, what's a girl to do? You use your nimbus to sweep me off my feet, but now without you by my side I feel incomplete. Slytherin and Gryffindor parted by the sorting hat. From rival houses, boy, but we don't have to be like that. Cause you've confunded me, and now I'm feeling well. Like this is magical, I'm under your spell.
I never thought you'd be in my life. Two different worlds that we like collide. And it'll never be the way it was before. Cause baby, I'm a Slytherin, and girl, you are a Gryffindor. Walking down a corridor with tricks right up my sleeve. Bump into this girl that's on my floor. She just wants to see what would it be like to hold hands with someone dark. Who would have known you don't need a wand to start a spark. I'll slither up to you, you can be my lion cub. Let's share a butter beer down at Rosmerda's pub. I'll chase right after you.